Okay, you'll arrive at the third floor and come to Condo 2034. Enter a code and enter this beautiful place. Coat rack. Here's your kitchen. The dishwasher will pop open to dry for 30 minutes or so at the end. It's okay, leave it open. Dining area, bar stools, huge sofa area. There's your balcony, the balcony furniture. Roku TVs in guest mode, use your own streaming accounts. We have a desk workstation. Okay, let's come into the master bedroom where you can wake up to this beautiful view. Nightstands, king size bed, USB charging outlets at both sides. Another Roku in guest mode, use your own accounts. The laundry and closet. Shower, double vanity, that's the master. And one of my favorite features is these double glazed doors. Okay, now we come down. This is an owner's closet. You will not have access to that. It's the air conditioning closet. Bathroom number 2 with a fan light. But a beautiful vanity there. Another Roku, guest mode. 2 bunks in a hunting blind arrangement. King size bed, there's USB outlets in those lights. That is an owner's closet down there, and this is for your use. Okay, we hope you enjoy and love it as much as we do.